Disclaimer: this is not just motivation, this is science.
My name is David Goggins. I created Goggins.
Described as one of the toughest men on the planet.
He's just an absolute savage.
He's the only man in history to complete elite training as a Navy SEAL, Army Ranger,
and the Air Force Tactical Air Controller Training.
While reading Psycho-Cybernetics and learning about David Goggins, I found something crazy. Both talk about the same thing in different ways. That's when I thought, why not combine them? Introducing Cyber Goggins for the first time, the ultimate mental blueprint to reprogram your mind. David grew up in an abusive home. His father was violent. His self-image was shaped by pain, emotional scars and insecurities. He felt like he was born to suffer. He hated studying, barely passed any exams, and also started gaining weight. Due to the inferiority complex, he started running from the reality, eating junk foods, watching TV, and running from the responsibilities. David's self-image was created by his past experiences, which made him feel weak. The author of Psycho-Cybernetics, Dr. Maxwell Maltz, says, your brain is like a servo mechanism. It follows the image you feed in it. And so, David's brain was programmed for failure, and he saw himself as worthless. One day, after long hours of work, when he switched on the TV, he saw Navy SEALs training documentary, and something clicked to him. He thought, what if I could become that? But his self-image rejected it. His mind always resisted the change at first. Once he came to know that his past doesn't define him and his mind does, he wanted to change his life. So in order to change his life, he needs to change his self-image. To change his self-image, he needs to change what's written in his subconscious mind. And thereby, he took the first battle with his subconscious mind. He knows he is 300 pounds, 136 kilograms, and a cockroach exterminator, and also depressed. But this time, he wanted to change his life so badly, and then he made a crazy decision to become a Navy SEAL. Navy SEAL is considered to be the mentally and physically hardest training in the world, which is brutal. But he started visualizing himself as a warrior. He fought like a frontline soldier battling for his survival and lost 100 pounds in 3 months by pushing all his mental limits. Have you noticed something? While dreaming, you doesn't know whether it's real or imagination. The same way, our brain doesn't know the difference between what is real and imaginary. And David used this technique, and he secretly hacked his brain with his own visualization and beliefs. The fact is, if you see yourself as a winner, your brain will make it. He failed Navy SEAL training thrice, but he never quit. In the 4th attempt, he successfully became a Navy SEAL. He ran a 100 miles race within 19 hours and 6 minutes with broken bones in his feet and a failed kidney, but he never quit. He pushed through the unimaginable pain. His body quit, but his mind didn't. From young age, we are conditioned to avoid pain. Don't touch that, you'll get burned. Be careful, you'll fall. Society teaches us that pain is bad, something we should escape from. But Maxwell says, pain is just a signal, and your mind decides what it means. And for us, the mind has decided based on our past experiences. But David reprogrammed his brain and forgot all his past experiences, and now came to a point that pain is just a mindset, and your mind is stronger than your body. He proved everyone that anyone can reprogram their mind at any age. Now, he's one of the toughest men alive, a best-selling author and a global icon. And you can ask me, where is the happiness? Both Maxwell and David says that happiness is a habit. Growth doesn't come staying in comfort and being happy. It comes from taking up challenges. Instead of seeking happiness from what's easy, we should train ourselves to be happy in struggles and being disciplined. If David can destroy his old self-image and create a new one, why can't you? You are not stuck. Your brain can be rewired. Just ask yourself, right now, what's your self-image? If you see yourself as weak, your brain will prove it right. What if, starting today, you feed a new story to it? Just reprogram your mind so that you can become unstoppable. Act like the person you want to become, soon you won't be acting. Maxwell says that your mental state determines your result. If this video inspired you to push beyond your limits, share it with someone who need to hear this and succeed.